Hi Meera, heard you joined a new company recently.
Hi Rohan. Yeah, I did. I have joined the supply chain team of OceanFresh, a new startup delivering fresh seafood to our doorstep within 30 minutes.
Wow, that's awesome. Can you please explain the entire supply chain at OceanFresh? I am really curious to know.
Sure. Let me use the SCOR model to explain it to you. The SCOR model has five main steps: plan, source, make, deliver, and return. Let's understand how OceanFresh uses each of these steps. First, planning. Since we are a new startup, we do not have much historic data to work with. And so, we have done a very basic level of rough cut planning exercise. We check out the volumes which our competitors do in the areas we operate, apply some basic checks, such as whether it's a holiday or not, decide on what price promotions to run, and bases that come up with a weekly demand plan. With each passing week, we get more and more demand data to work with, and bases either lost sales or excess inventory. We keep refining our demand forecasting models. Second, source. In order to meet the 30-minute delivery deadline, the storage needs to be very close to the end consumer. But since having a dedicated cold storage dark store at the heart of the cities will never work economically, we don't have inventory on our hands like other quick commerce players. For supply, we have partnered with some highly trusted retail giants which operate multiple stores in all major localities. We have given a minimum guarantee to these vendors and use these partners to supply inventory for our orders. Third, make. Since the products are already in a packed format at these retail partners, we don't need any additional processing for our orders. As such, this process of manufacturing or doing some value addition is not applicable for our supply chain. Fourth, deliver. This is the step where OceanFresh has developed a very new and innovative approach. Hence, our delivery is the secret sauce of our supply chain. Here we have leased out a certain number of small size reefer vehicles who are constantly on a milk run, going from one retail partner to another. During these milk runs, our state of the art tech system squeezes in deliveries to customer on the way. Thus, we kind of use the same vehicles for both first mile and last mile. Our vehicle routing software keep updating our drivers on both pickup and delivery locations. You can also understand this in another way. Instead of static dark stores, we have dynamic on the move dark stores and thus use the existing offline inventory at our retail partners to fulfill our orders. Fifth, returns. Here we have created a dedicated fleet of reefer who only do reverse pickups, thus not disturbing the delivery fleet operations. There is a dedicated QC person in these reverse pickup vehicles who does a real-time QC of all return products. If he feels that the product quality is fine, he re-inventorizes the product. And whenever this vehicle meets the delivery vehicle next, the product is handed over to the delivery fleet. This way, our net returns are almost negligible since we are almost immediately able to reuse them up. So yeah, this is how our supply chain at OceanFresh works. Hope you have understood it.
Wow, that's so interesting and innovative. Thanks Meera for explaining it so well.
You're welcome, Rohan.